Hey guys, it's Jodie and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a little bit of a different video and show you how to remove links of a watch. So it doesn't have to be this Michael Kors watch. I actually just got this and I didn't want to pay the $20 to get it shortened. So I wanted to come back and do it myself. So it's actually really nice and easy and you just need like a hammer, and I just found this in my screwdriver kit. So this one here is just nice little stick, not too sharp but very thin, and that one just what we'll be using to poke it through. And I've just done a little test run and those are the ones I removed. That's why my watch is kind of like split open like this, but I do need to remove some more because I have really little wrist. So when I put it on like this, I still need a couple more taken off. Like you can see here, it's a bit too long still. So I've just measured it and I need to take off about 2 more links from here. So you'll be able to see these little dots, these dots here, and inside it you should be able to see little arrows. So you've got arrows pointing up, or 3, and that's the direction you want to be pushing this pin through. So like following here, this way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these 2 links off, and I recommend using a soft thing. I'm using a rug here, so I'm putting directly lining it on top of that dot in that same direction I mentioned before, and you just use your hammer and you just tap. So you'll be able to see, so it's like dug into my rug. So that's what you get out, so make sure you don't lose this. I'll put it on the side. And yeah, so that's like kind of what it looks like. It comes out there, and that's what I pulled out, and you just pull and slide that one out. And now you should be able to just unclip that and peel this little bit off. What I'll do now is the same thing and remove these 2 sections from this clasp because I need to retain that. So I'm gonna do it right there. I've actually just paused it halfway so you can see. It's just like, oh, yeah. Did you see that? It kind of just comes out, pops out just like that. Pop that on the side and can you see? That just slides straight off, nice and easy. So just please don't lose these little links because you'll never be able to find them again. So I'm actually gonna attach this back on there so it's easier for me to visualize the actual length. And to do so, what you do is pretty much the opposite of what we just did. So find the arrow and just put the thread back in. So there you go. That's how you attach the buckle back in there. So I've attached one side and let's see how the length goes. So if I do that, for example, if I just imagine it, if I have one less, no, one less is way too tight. So right now, that is perfect. I was going to show you the final step of putting this pole back in there, but I ended up just slotting it through. I didn't even need the hammer. I was going to show you when I was doing the hammering, but I didn't even end up needing it. So I just threaded that, you know how it's disconnected? I just threaded that back through the hole, and now the watch is completely shortened. And I'll show you the links that I took out. These 2 are the bits that I took out. So let's have a look how that fits now, the watch. Oh, perfect. There we go. Sorry about my sleeves. So that's it for this video today. I hope that was helpful. I mean, if you don't want to go through this hassle, you can just take it to a jeweler to get it taken out. But I mean, you can do it at home and it gives you more flexibility. Maybe like sometimes you want to add more links if it's in the summer. It's like you're in between, like me, you're in between 2 sizes. You either go with the smaller one in winter, and then in summer you might want to add that extra link. You can do that yourself. So it gives you more flexibility. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Peace.